Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. All right, well, you have been warned. So look, here I come in 3, 2, look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, it is. Bang, bang, bang. We have a great one for you today. Yes, we do. Look. All right, guys, so today we're going to talk about VeChain. VeChain Touts. They say they have a killer app, and we're going to talk about VeChain's killer app. Yes. Look. Then we're going to talk about what's going on here. Bang. Oh, there is the volume. All right. Yeah, I couldn't hardly hear myself. All right. There we go. Bittrex adopts Chainalysis for Know Your Transaction, the KYT stuff for the Fat F. Bang. I'm going to talk about that. And the USSCC crypto mom, she says the SEC is being too paternalistic. What I sort of ranted about last night, but now we're going to hear the rantings from an actual regulator. Look, so let's begin. Bye. Look. Bye. Look at here, son. Oops. All right. We're not even ready. All right, let's do a refresh. All right. Fuck again. All right. Bitcoin is now at $8,117. Last night when I left you, it was at $8,432, which is a $20 drop, something like that. Around there. We're round numbering it around here. All right. Look, top 10. Top 10 market cap the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Look, top 10 day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar. Let's look at the market moves of the day. Looks like all single digits down from here. I'm sure there's a single digit up. So, say single digits down to single digits up. Single digits down to single digits up. Oh, maybe there isn't a single digit down or up. Dang. Oh, there's one. All right. I was like, dang on. Obviously, the top 10 winners of the day part's going to be a little skimpy. Single digits down to single digits up. 2 single digits down, 2 single digits up. All right. Let's look at the top 10 losers of the day, brothers. You see anything here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. And it looks like the whole market was on sale again. Day 3 of the sale. Bye. Look. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Crypterium, Rift Token, Beam, Bidem, Lambda, Nexo, Lisk, Qcoin Shares, Elf, and Bitcoin Diamond. Let's see who made money today, if anyone. Oh, there's some, okay. Top 10 wins of the day, brothers. Synthetics Network, Dragon Coins, BitShares, Factum, Electronium, Ravencoin, Aurora, Status, Zcoin, and PundyX. Let's look at the total market cap of the day, brothers. We got 214.5. All right. 214.5 today. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 221.6. So we have gone down $7.1 billion. All right. Let's look at the total volume of the day. 68.1 billion. Yeesh, that's not good. 68.1 billion. So again, like yesterday and the day before, volume going up with market cap going down means guys are coming in and taking money out. So we were at 63.8 in market cap yesterday. Today we are at 68.1. All right. All right, so that's it. Let's go to the stories of the day. Bang! VeChain touts killer app of blockchain. Yes. We all know about VeChain around these parts. Look. Let's see what VeChain's up to now. VeChain CEO and co-founder Sunny Liu says VeChain Thor blockchain is enabling real business value that can radically shift the current ecosystem and reshape how companies calibrate and transact. All right. Oh, collaborate and transact. Speaking last week at the Shanghai International Blockchain Week 2019 with partners DNVGL and Deloitte, Liu says that VeChain, a public blockchain platform that enables retailers and consumers to track goods across the supply chain, authenticating products and offering immutable information in real time, can spur mass public adoption of the technology by targeting business collaborations. Yes. So, said Liu, only with professional teams and enterprise-level applications can we promote the development of blockchain technology and, in turn, boost its mass adoption. It's more about business consensus. Yes. So, beyond Bitcoin and its transformational ability to move value, Liu calls digital assurance the killer app of blockchain, as the tech can be optimized to guarantee information security. In a world rife with fraud, manipulated data, fudged numbers, and copycats, blockchain can be used to protect the integrity, availability, and authenticity of data for a full range of goods in transit as well as in storage facilities. So look, taking off. Digital assurance is the killer app of blockchain, other than BTC. So I guess the thing they made is called digital assurance. DNVGL is making it. And more value they create, more value VeChain Thor, the first giant builder. All right. So look, one of the company's high-profile partnerships is with Big Four accounting firm Deloitte. Yes. Which utilizes VeChain Thor blockchain to provide services for their clients. In attendance at the Shanghai International Blockchain Conference, Antonio Senatore, Global Chief Technology Officer of Deloitte Blockchain and board member of the VeChain Foundation, says early blockchain winners will be those platforms that can deliver value within the existing regulatory paradigm. Yes. If the regulators are going to change, well, the ones that are going to start making money are the ones that are compliant now, right? And he also goes on to say, blockchain is more than decentralized governance. It's more of a comprehensive ecosystem. Only when we take it as an ecosystem can we find out all possible value use cases. The reason why we chose to migrate to public blockchain is because everyone on the public blockchain is verifiable, which means it's secure for our clients. On top of that, public blockchain helps to connect products, enterprises, and people in a digital way. Bye. So VeChain has built a robust list of high-profile, multi-billion-dollar customers, including Walmart, BYD, and DNGVL, to track and authenticate products along the supply chain and to verify data. But it's also working with BMW to test a proof of concept to stop mileage fraud. Its Verify Car app provides a digital passport to monitor odometer and maintenance reports. Bang! All right, so there's VeChain. They have the new killer app for blockchain. Yes. All right, the killer app of blockchain. Bang! Let's move on. Look, bang! Bittrex. Now, this is interesting. Bittrex adopts Chainalysis KYT software to flag suspicious activity. And now, all right, so I'm going to take this from a few different angles. So, we talked about Chainalysis last year. If you're new here, Chainalysis it's in the New York Stock Exchange, it's in the NASDAQ. It's this software, and it looks at every single fucking little transaction on an exchange, and it catches crooks. Bottom line, insider trading, any kind of wash trading, any kind of stuff like that. It'll catch all that, pump and dumps, all that, and so that's in the regular markets, and so it's good, and so now Bittrex is bringing it to this market. And what's good about this is that, we already know, the SEC isn't approving any ETFs, even though, they're giving multiple exchanges to get their price discovery. Well, like, this is just a hope, and this is just my speculation, complete speculation. But I mean, if a bunch of exchanges get Chainalysis, and then I say, look, I'm going to use Chainalysis equipped exchanges for my price discovery for my ETF. Come on, SEC, how can you complain? Right? It's good enough for the NASDAQ. Why isn't it good enough for here? You know what I mean? All right. That's just a little bit of my griping, but it is good in that it's becoming FATF compliant, right? Chainalysis makes you, well, first of all, Chainalysis goes beyond FATF. It's hardcore. Chainalysis is used by the CIA, the FBI, the DEA. Like, it's used, it's hardcore. Like I said, NASDAQ, it's hardcore. And it catches suspicious financial transactions. All right, let's take a look at it. Bittrex adopts Chainalysis KYT software to flag suspicious activity. Bittrex, the U.S. crypto exchange, has adopted blockchain compliance firm Chainalysis real-time monitoring software for transactions to flag suspicious activity across many of its leading coins. Bittrex executive told CoinDesk. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, DAI, Gemini, among other cryptocurrencies traded on Bittrex, are covered by the new software. So I guess it's okay, I see. It's asset by asset. Known as Chainalysis KYT, Know Your Transaction. Bittrex's adoption of Chainalysis KYT comes as governments and regulators around the world are increasing their oversight of crypto exchanges. In June, the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, gave the exchanges of its 37 of its 37 member countries 12 months to begin tracking complete customer details on every transaction handled. I told you guys about FATF. It's the real deal. Countries are actually listening to it. So, though Bittrex was already in compliance with similar U.S. regulations, Chief Compliance and Ethics Officer John Roth said Chainalysis KYT goes further. Its built-in knowledge base of suspicious addresses, darknet sites, child exploitation sites puts Bittrex a step ahead, he said. Having real-time information coming in from which we can make risk decisions is really an amazing step forward, and frankly one that's not available to traditional financial institutions, Roth said. Jonathan Levin, Chainalysis, Jonathan Levin, Chainalysis Chief Security Officer, said KYT automates much of Bittrex's review process. The key to support a large exchange like Bittrex is building features that enable them to automate their compliance process, prioritize their workflow, and customize their alerts to speed up how fast they can do due diligence. Automation helps high-volume exchanges retain compliance sustainability. The capacity to identify a handful of suspicious transactions among millions of otherwise banal crypto trades. The software flags the most likely criminal transactions But a Bittrex employed compliance analyst still needs to determine if the threat is valid and then file a suspicious action report, SAP, with regulators. Bittrex ethics chief Roth said the new software is a response to the crypto space's development and maturation as financial institutions explore exchange-based trades. They need to be assured that we are doing things the right way. Bang, exactly. And that's it. They want to make sure there's no manipulation and stuff. And Chainalysis does bang exactly that. Chainalysis watches all the transactions and catches people when they're being sneaky. Look, all right. We have a quick show tonight, don't we? All right, look. So U.S. SEC's crypto mom. I think we need to be a little less paternalistic. And this is what I was telling you guys yesterday. This is Hester Peirce, they called her yesterday at the hearing, and she's the only one that voted for the ET. So she's a SEC commissioner, and she's the only one of the SEC that voted for the ETFs. And her whole thing is, exactly what I told you yesterday. Like, we have to stop trying to protect people from maybe losing money. This is a speculative market. Of course, some people are going to lose, and some are going to win. Like, you have to just let the magic of the markets just play out. And so I'm just going to have this powerful lady say to you what I said to you yesterday, which is what I've been telling you guys. It's getting ridiculous. Like, you want to protect soccer mom and dad? Oh, soccer mom and dad, they can lose money in the markets. You lose money anywhere. That's why it's called speculation. Like, these guys are acting like they want to guarantee that soccer mom and dad make money. You can't guarantee that. You can do what you can to make sure they don't get cheated out of money. Yes. But in terms of winning and losing, that's up to the trades they make. All right. Well, here she is. United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce, or Peirce as they called her yesterday, recently spoke on innovation in cryptocurrencies, calling regulators excessively paternalistic. Exactly, the .com summit. At the Digital Asset Compliance and Market Integrity DACOM Summit in New York today, September 26th, so yesterday, it's 4:50 in the a.m. here now, Commissioner Peirce told a Q&A session that featured extensive discussion on the future of regulation for crypto assets. Hosting the summit were law firm Hogan Lovells and Solidus Labs, a market surveillance tool provider. Peirce's benign attempt towards digital assets has earned her the moniker of Crypto Mom, towards which she expressed some fondness at the beginning of her appearance at today's summit. So this is what she said yesterday. So she said, it's been an honor to be adopted by a group of people who are really thinking in such an exciting and interesting way. So in other words, she's happy that all the crypto people call her Crypto Mom. So I'm happy to be adopted by the group who are really thinking in such exciting and interesting ways and trying to think about ways to change the world. So regarding cryptocurrency, she predicted today that as technology changes, we'll see them becoming much more the money of the internet. And in other comments, the commissioner expressed some degree of frustration with the pace of SEC's regulation, saying, frankly, sometimes the SEC needs a push from Congress. In other words, sometimes the politicians just have to write the rules because the SEC is just sitting around doing nothing. So she continued, if you want a government that's more forward-thinking on innovation, that means that if something goes wrong, you can't go running back to the government and say, hey, you didn't protect me from myself. Exactly. Look, you got to open up. If people come here and they lose their money, tough. You chose to come, right? So that's what she's saying. You can't come crying later, hey, you didn't protect me from myself. Sorry. And I think we need to be a little less paternalistic. Exactly. Stop protecting them. It's their choice whether they want to come or not. Because what you're doing is you're basically saying to all the kids. So there's, say, a neighborhood, right? And there's 20 kids in the neighborhood. And there's a nice big swimming pool. But because little Jill can't swim, you're telling all the other kids they can't swim. Well, why the fuck? Because all the other kids know how to swim. Why don't you let them swim? Fuck Jill. If Jill gets in the pool and drowns, well, she knows better. She knows she doesn't know how to swim. I know that sounds a little messed up, but you know what I'm saying? That's what the SEC is doing. They're saying, oh, little Jill over there doesn't know how to swim, so none of you guys get to swim. I say, look, let us swim, and if Jill is dumb enough to get in here, well, fuck her. Come on, man. You're robbing us of all our fun swimming. Yes. So look. Oh, the hearing earlier this week. I put that on the website last night for you guys. I posted it. I pinned it to the comments last night. As Court and Telegraph reported, at the time, several commissioners from the SEC, including Pierce, testified before the House Financial Services Committee on Tuesday, September 26. Pierce's commentary at the time expressed similar suspicions toward regulatory overreach. As the commissioner phrased it at the time, she promoted a philosophy of regulatory humility. The need to always be asking if what we're doing is right. Yeah, a little humility, because did you guys notice, I don't know, if you, I posted the hearing yesterday, but I don't know if you actually watched the whole thing or you just watched those timestamps I gave you for the crypto parts. But when you look at Jay Clayton, he's an arrogant son of a bitch. He was like, yeah, Senator, blah, blah, blah. But in this arrogant way. And they asked him about the crypto thing. He was like, yeah, they're going to have to comply to us. He said it in such a dickish way. And I'm not just saying that just because I want the crypto to roll. I mean, it really is. Just look at how he said it. But anyway, all right, whatever. So that's Hester Pierce. That's what she said. And it's true. It is true. They need to be a little less paternalistic, hoping but this investor could lose their money. Well, the investor shouldn't come if they don't know what they're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not an investor. You're an idiot. So don't come here, right? So I know. It's mean, but it's the truth. All right, let's get shout-outs. Look, this was a quick show, wasn't it? All right. Bye. Look. Airdrop out. Son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Wrong cast. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What's this crypto manager? What's he talking about? Nothing. Oh, chill. All right. Bye. See you, guy. Hurricane Master. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Bit him. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What you talking about? Blockchain needs quantum-resistant technology. Tag on it. Quantum proof. Exactly. This has been a historic week for quantum technology as the industry has made groundbreaking moves. Bang! All these blockchains got to get quantum proof. The only quantum proof thing is IOTA. I know. It's not a blockchain. It's a DAG. I know. Some guy corrected me one time. It's not really a blockchain. And yes, I know Cardano is not quantum proof yet, but with the Shelley upgrade, they will be. Other than that, these motherfuckers better get on their game. Better get on their game, boys. Look. You're going to get hacked all the hell up. All right, let's see who all love this tweet. Look, Brendan C., Spy Lady, love you, girl. Bye. Sweetie, love you, girl. See you, girl. Yes. Bye. Yes, look at him. Rob Ert. Bye. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Moon landing. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Radster. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Robbie Hardaway. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, and look at Eternity Blockchain. They liked the story I did about them. Anyway, let's read. What are they? Eternity is a scalable blockchain platform that enables high-speed transactions, purely functional smart contracts, and decentralized oracles, coded in Erlang. All right. Bye. Yes. As long as you generate revenue, buddy, I'll be talking about you here. I'll be talking about you here. Look, sweetie, bye, she said. All right, let's move on. Steven, big man, bye. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What do we got? All right, that's it. Coinbase is Stellar. You can trade Stellar on Coinbase now. Great. And then Samara Boss, bang. See you, brother. All right, that's bang. Look. And then bang. Look. Bang. All right. So, guys, we had a great show for today. VeChain touts the killer app. That's their killer app. That's all there is to it. It's an app. So it wasn't a money generating thing, but which is what always happens when we talk about VeChain stories. Just another onboarding. This was more of an upgrade or that thing they're going to offer. So they're going to offer a new service. All right. Look, Bittrex adopts Chainalysis KYT. Bang. That makes them fat F compliant. That's what these exchanges got to do. That's what this whole market's got to do, man. You got to get everybody, all these exchanges got to get fat F compliant. I mean, come on, man. Yeah, man. You got to give the regulators less to cry about, in a way, if you want to look at it that way. Not cry about, but to deny you or delay you or whatever to complain about. Yeah, and Chainalysis, that's one more thing. Know your transaction, and that's FATF compliant. Remember, the FATF thing is you have to know who's sending who the money, right? Well, it's part of it, right? And so this allows them to do that. So FATF compliant. Bang. And then here's Crypto Mom. Lester Pierce says the SEC needs to be less paternalistic. That's what I've been saying. I mean, for fuck's sakes, man, you can't baby people all the time. You know what I mean? Like, you can't guarantee that they make money. So your job is to make sure people don't get ripped off. If you're the SEC, all right, we'll go bust people who do market manipulation. But that's like saying because people speed in their cars, we're not going to let you drive cars anymore. No, it's your job to go bust the speeders. Right? All right. Anyway, that's it, man. Fuck this. Look, I love you guys. Look, let's chill it and kill it. All right, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do this job. When I do this show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bye. I love talking money, love talking crypto. My name is Shomari Clarke. This is the favorite time of my day. So, bang, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for having me in your home. Boom, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Bang. I'm always on duty. Yes. Over and out.